Hey guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a southern squash casserole. If you tuned in a couple weeks ago, I showed you that I had bought a half a bushel of yellow squash, which was half yellow squash and half zucchini. And I ended up getting 16 quarts of yellow squash and 15 quarts of zucchini. And this is the first time that I've used these. Alright, in here I've got a couple tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add these. That is a Vidalia onion that I've chopped up. You know, my ghetto chopping, but hey. And I'm going to let these cook for about 5 minutes. So they're going to cook down. And I'm not going to sit here and have y'all waiting on paint to dry. So we'll be back in a minute. I'll let these cook down. Okay, these have been cooking. Now I'm going to add my squash. All the exact measurements are going to be in the description box because I add things the way I want them. And one thing, it does call for evaporated milk, and I don't have any, so I'm just using regular milk. I think hopefully it'll be okay. I don't see why not. Y'all like my big cuts on these, but heck, they'll boil down to nothing. Alright, now what we're going to do is add enough water to almost cover these. I think I got the wrong size pan out. Alright, I'm going to bring this to a boil. I hate seeing this thing waste like that. I'm going to bring these to a boil, and then I'm going to cut them down to a simmer, and you want all of your water to evaporate, and the squash should be tender. Alright, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, this took a little bit longer because that burner, it works great, but it cuts off at certain moments, so it took a little bit longer. It took me forever to bring it to a boil. So what I've done here is I've drained these, and you want to squish out, mash out as much liquid as you can. So I think that's good. Yeah, more bowls. I've been washing, my dishwasher's been running non-stop since yesterday. Preheat your oven to 350, and actually normal size for the directions I'm going to give you in the description box, you just want to use like a 9x9 square pan. But I'm using a lot more than I was supposed to. Whatever. I got people sharing it. I'm sharing this food, so. Alright. Where am I at? Oh, I need to add. See, I'm not prepared yet. I need a couple of tablespoons of melted butter. 40. And a couple tablespoons of pimento, diced pimento. And with the extra. I'm getting there. And I have some mashed up Ritz crackers. we had gotten some Ritz crackers with bacon flavor, and those this would have been really good, but we kind of ate those. They didn't have any at Walmart yesterday. So, I don't want to put that egg in right while it's still hot. Alright, here's my cup of milk. Like I said, it's supposed to be evaporated milk, but I didn't have any. Okay. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of melted butter. This is a little warm. Go somewhere and I'm gonna okay, I think that's good. Okay, let's add some salt and pepper. To me, I'm not going to add a whole bunch of salt because of the crackers. Sorry guys, my back is really hurting me today. But I've been going non-stop. Okay, now I'm going to add in these eggs, but what I'm going to do is I want to temper them a little bit. Okay, now I'll add some cheese. You know what? It might have been okay to put it in a 9x9. But too late now. I've dirtied up enough dishes. I'm darn sure not gonna. Alright, let's put this in here. I got cheese in there. I have sprayed it. They want you to put crackers on top, but I'm doing it my way. Hey, that looks pretty. Alright, I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 45 minutes or till the top is golden brown. See you soon. Okay guys, I just got this out the oven. It didn't take exactly 30 minutes, but it was smelling good. So this is actually part of a big meal, but I'm just going to dish out some for now. Not a whole lot. Alright guys, this is our southern squash casserole. Let me put this over here. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like your squash. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it out on your social media. Alright guys, squash casserole's ready. Thank you. Bye.